You got all the papers back there?
Flipping me off. I'm making a video.
Do you stay out there? No, I'll stay around here.
What you got, Derek?
Yeah, you gonna stay out of there, Derek.
So, a mud jug?
Yeah.
I got quiet, not laughy when I turned my camera on. What's up with that?
That camera's here.
Hey, Brian.
What's up?
You can put that other blue one out there, Max 4.
Yeah? Oh, I got more than one blue one.
That's why I said you got ripped off. She's gonna give you one, but you got one now.
Don't bother me.
Word, turd.
Wait a second. I thought Derek had already traded you something for that CD player.
No.
Yeah, he had.
No, I was gonna give him $30.
$30. You done ate about $1 million worth of food.
That motherfucker ain't eating now. God damn.
See, he won't even have me on that. I don't think he wants me on that.
What?
I'm just really.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I see it now.
See,
I've been wondering why my freaking... I was like... I'm on Honda right now. I was wondering why it's like... y'all ain't going away. I was like, man,
I believe Derek would probably eat a dead horse.
depends on if she's cold or not.
He has ate one. She's like this.
That's her? That's not... Oh, I thought you were handing that to me. I was like, that's not for me. That's for you.
You probably did.
Talk to you.
Yeah, did I tell y'all she tried to get me to come to her house one night?
Who?
Robin.
Yeah.
Fucked up.
No way.
We was told you was over there.
Negative.
Well, that's just what we were told.
You know you wanted to smack her.
Are you playing with that mud jug? The thing is just so cool, guys.